How to use the employee discount on Amazon. So where do I enter in my Amazon employee discount? And this guy actually gave it really good answer, but also show you some other ways as well to enter your Amazon employee discount. You need to log into your Amazon account and go to the Your Account section. From there, click on your Prime membership and scroll down to the Prime Discounts section. Here you will be able to enter your employee discount code and apply it to your purchases. So basically you can apply in your normal customer shopping account. The second way is that you can actually log into the official Amazon employee login portal or portal, and you can do that by going on to Google, typing in Amazon employee portal, and then you will have two websites. So one of them is called A to Z Login. This is this website, and here you can log in using your details. So are you able to get your login details when you work at Amazon? And you should be able to log in into the portal. Or the second website is the Amazon page, and you can log in using your email address here. This is probably just for jobs, so the real kind of portal is probably this Amazon A2Z. And when you log in, you will be in the portal, and within there it should either see an FAQ or you should see a button, and it explains exactly how to use the employee discount on Amazon. Now if this helpful, make sure you like the video, and thank you for watching.